Modern naval warfare demands constant surveillance, rapid intelligence gathering, and precision strike capability across vast and unpredictable oceans. Naval commanders must monitor enormous maritime areas while responding quickly to evolving threats such as anti-ship missiles, fast attack boats, and stealthy submarines. To extend their reach without risking pilots, modern navies began adopting unmanned aerial systems designed specifically for maritime operations. Among the most advanced of these platforms is the MQ-8 Fire Scout, an unmanned helicopter developed by Northrop Grumman. The Fire Scout is a rotary-wing unmanned aerial vehicle capable of launching directly from naval ships. It provides real-time intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and even precision strike capability while operating far from the fleet. Unlike traditional helicopters that depend entirely on human pilots, the Fire Scout uses advanced avionics, sensors, and communication systems to operate autonomously. More than a reconnaissance drone, it functions as a powerful force multiplier, extending the observation range and operational awareness of naval fleets far beyond the horizon. At first glance, the MQ-8 Fire Scout resembles a compact helicopter, but its structure is carefully engineered for unmanned operations and shipboard deployment. The aircraft uses the conventional single-main rotor and tail rotor configuration that provides stability and efficient lift. These rotors are constructed from lightweight composite materials that reduce vibration and improve flight efficiency. Lower vibration levels also help stabilize onboard sensors, ensuring clearer imagery and more accurate surveillance. Because space aboard naval vessels is extremely limited, the Fire Scout incorporates folding rotor blades and retractable landing gear. These features allow the aircraft to be stored efficiently inside ship hangars. Despite its compact design, the aircraft can remain airborne for more than 6 hours while carrying advanced surveillance equipment. This endurance enables persistent monitoring of wide maritime regions. Operating at sea exposes aircraft to harsh environmental conditions, including saltwater corrosion, strong winds, and turbulent airflow over ship decks. To withstand these challenges, the Fire Scout uses corrosion-resistant materials and reinforced structural components designed specifically for maritime operations. Powering the MQ-8 Fire Scout is a turboshaft engine that drives both the main rotor and tail rotor. This propulsion system allows the aircraft to perform vertical takeoff, hovering, and forward flight with high efficiency. The strong power-to-weight ratio enables rapid climbing, descending, and repositioning during missions. Such flexibility allows operators to quickly adjust altitude or location to improve sensor coverage or avoid potential threats. Because the Fire Scout carries no human crew, it can remain airborne longer than conventional helicopters without concerns about pilot fatigue. This extended endurance makes it ideal for long-duration surveillance missions. Advanced onboard diagnostic systems continuously monitor engine temperature, vibration, rotor speed, and fuel flow. These systems detect mechanical issues early, allowing maintenance crews to address problems before they affect operational readiness. One of the defining features of the MQ-8 Fire Scout is its autonomous flight capability. Before each mission, operators upload flight plans and operational parameters into the aircraft's control system. Once launched, the UAV navigates independently using GPS guidance and onboard flight computers. The aircraft can travel to designated patrol zones, loiter over surveillance areas, track moving vessels, and automatically return to the ship when the mission is complete. Operators monitor the aircraft from a mission control console aboard the ship. Through this interface, they receive live telemetry, sensor data, and real-time video feeds. If mission conditions change, operators can redirect the aircraft, assign new objectives, or designate targets. This combination of autonomous operation and human oversight provides both flexibility and reliability in naval missions. The primary mission of the MQ-8 Fire Scout is intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. To perform this role effectively, the UAV carries a stabilized sensor turret mounted beneath the fuselage. This system typically includes electro-optical cameras, infrared sensors, and radar technology. Electro-optical cameras capture high-resolution imagery that allows operators to identify ships, vehicles, and objects from long distances. Infrared sensors detect heat signatures, enabling effective surveillance at night or in low-visibility conditions. Engines, machinery, and other heat sources remain visible even through smoke or haze. In addition, the aircraft can carry synthetic aperture radar capable of scanning large ocean areas regardless of weather conditions. All collected data is processed on board and transmitted directly to the ship's command center. Within seconds, naval commanders receive critical intelligence needed to monitor maritime activity and respond to potential threats. Although primarily designed for reconnaissance, certain variants of the Fire Scout can carry precision-guided weapons. These include the AGM-114 Hellfire missile, capable of engaging small surface vessels, fast attack boats, and coastal targets with high accuracy. Because the UAV already provides real-time targeting information through its sensors, it can engage threats quickly without requiring additional aircraft support. This capability transforms the Fire Scout from a simple observation platform into a light combat asset capable of detecting and neutralizing threats during the same mission. In networked combat operations, multiple Fire Scouts can share targeting data through secure communication links. Several UAVs can coordinate simultaneous strikes against multiple threats, allowing naval forces to overwhelm hostile targets with speed and precision. Operating in contested environments requires strong survivability features. The Fire Scout benefits from its relatively small size and low radar signature, making it more difficult for enemy radar systems to detect and track. Radar warning receivers continuously scan the electromagnetic spectrum, alerting operators when hostile radar systems begin targeting the aircraft. Laser warning sensors can also detect targeting lasers used by enemy weapon systems. When necessary, the UAV can deploy defensive countermeasures such as chaff and flares. Chaff disperses metallic strips that confuse radar-guided missiles, while flares produce intense heat signatures designed to divert infrared-guided weapons. Some configurations may also include limited electronic jamming capability to disrupt enemy targeting systems. Because these defensive systems are integrated into the aircraft's flight control software, the Fire Scout can initiate evasive maneuvers or deploy countermeasures automatically when threats are detected. The MQ-8 Fire Scout was specifically designed for operations from naval ships, where limited space and challenging conditions make aircraft deployment difficult. Its compact airframe, retractable landing gear, and folding rotors allow efficient storage on vessels with small hangars. One of the most impressive capabilities of the Fire Scout is its automated takeoff and landing system. Landing a helicopter on a moving ship is extremely complex, especially when waves and wind cause the deck to pitch and roll. The Fire Scout uses advanced sensors and flight control algorithms to monitor ship movement, wind conditions, and deck orientation in real time. The aircraft automatically adjusts its flight path to achieve a stable and precise landing. During missions, the UAV continuously transmits live video, radar data, and telemetry back to the ship's command center. This real-time information allows commanders to monitor large maritime areas and respond rapidly to emerging threats. Because this data can be shared across the fleet network, the Fire Scout becomes a critical node in the broader naval information system. Since its introduction, the MQ-8 Fire Scout has proven its versatility in various operational roles. One notable mission type involves anti-piracy operations, where the UAV patrols large maritime areas, searching for suspicious vessels, threatening commercial shipping routes. Its long endurance allows it to track fast-moving boats often used by pirate groups. The Fire Scout has also demonstrated value in literal combat environments near coastlines. These areas often contain large numbers of civilian vessels, making surveillance particularly challenging. High-resolution imagery and radar tracking help commanders distinguish between routine maritime traffic and potential threats. Operational experience has shown that the Fire Scout performs best when integrated with other systems, including shipboard radar, manned helicopters, and intelligence networks. Rather than replacing human-operated platforms, unmanned aircraft serve as powerful extensions of them. The Fire Scout platform continues to evolve as new technologies emerge. Recent upgrades focus on improving sensor capability, extending communication range, and increasing endurance. These improvements allow the aircraft to monitor larger operational areas and transmit intelligence across greater distances. Future developments may include artificial intelligence-assisted mission planning and automated threat detection. AI systems could analyze sensor data in real time, identifying suspicious activity and predicting enemy movements. Future naval operations may also integrate the Fire Scout with unmanned surface and underwater vehicles, forming a coordinated network of autonomous systems operating across air, sea, and subsurface domains. The MQ-8 Fire Scout represents a major advancement in the evolution of naval aviation. By combining autonomous flight, advanced sensors, precision weapons, and network communications, it enables naval forces to monitor vast maritime regions while minimizing risk to human pilots. Its ability to detect threats, deliver real-time intelligence, and conduct precision strikes makes it one of the most versatile unmanned systems operating today. As naval warfare continues to evolve, platforms like the Fire Scout demonstrate how autonomy, persistent surveillance, and information dominance are shaping the future of military power.